Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and this video is going to be very important because in this video we will learn that how we can install Windows 11, latest Windows 11 25H2 over the Windows 10 onto the unsupported hardware, no hardware restriction, no hardware requirement. We will install smoothly. So let's start the video. So in order to install the Windows 11 over the Windows 10 onto the unsupported hardware, first of all we have to download a genuine and official ISO. So we have to go onto the Chrome browser, then we have to type Windows 11 download, then we have to click onto the download Windows 11. You can see that latest version is 25H2 is available. Now we have to scroll down it, and then we have to select the Windows 11 multi edition. Once we click it, then we have to confirm it. Then it will ask about the your system language. So this is very important step. Your system language should be correct. So how you can check the system language? So in order to do so, we have to type cmd command line, and then we have to right click on it and run as administrator. Then we have to type once you type this command, you will get output, and you can see that system language is ENUS. So your system language is basically United States English. So we have to close that, and we have to select our respective language or desired language. So English United States. Once you click that, then you have to confirm. Then you will get an option of 64-bit. Then you have to just click it and your ISO will start downloading. So I have already downloaded the ISO because it is about 7 GB, so it will take time. So I have already downloaded it in order to save the time. So I'm going to cancel it, and after that, once we download the ISO, so let me show you the ISO. So it is available inside the, you can see that ISO is available. So now we have to download a simple tool, which is a FlyOB from the GitHub website. It is one of the fantastic tool that will help out you to bypass all the hardware requirements, and your Windows will be installed properly. Everything is genuine and legal and official. No need to worry about that. So we have to click onto the Chrome browser, then you have to type the FlyOB, and once you type the FlyOB, then you will get a GitHub link. You have to click on that, then you have to scroll down it, then you have to click download, then you will have another page. Then you have to scroll down it again, scroll down, and then you have to download this package. So once you download it, you will see that you can see that it is downloaded instantly. So once you download it, then you have to go into the folder. Once you go into the folder, then you have to right click on it and obviously extract here. So all the files have been extracted successfully. Now you have to right click on it and run as administrator. Yes. Then you will have this page. You have to click onto the Get Windows 11. Then you have to click onto the More option. Once you click onto the More option, then you have to select the ISO from the local, and we have to go inside the downloads. Once you inside the downloads, then you have to double click on it and you have to select the ISO. So you can see that CPU requirement, each and every restriction has been bypassed successfully, and your Windows will be started shortly. Now it is mounting, and you will have an option of OK. Then simple click OK. You can see that setup has been started in front of you. Now you have the option of download updates and not right now, but in your case I request you to go for the download updates and hit next. For time being, because I'm creating just a video, so in order to save the time, I'm going for not right now, but I will request you to go download, keep the option mark as a download updated, so you will get all the updates along with the installation. So but it's on up to you. If you want to install the Windows 11 update after the installation, you can. So but I will request you to keep this option marked, because you will get all the updates along with the installation. So in order to save the time, I'm just going to click onto the not right now, hit next. Then your system is getting ready, and you can see that all the hardware requirements has been bypassed, and we are installing the latest Windows 11 25 H2 over the unsupported hardware. This is the one of the finest and an authentic technique through which you can install Windows 11 25 H2 error free. So now we have to accept the license. You can see that. So we are going to upgrade it. So we are going to keep our files and settings and all the apps and as it is. And one more thing, no need to worry about the Windows license, because your Windows 10 license will automatically shift it onto the Windows 11. So no need to worry about that. If you have Windows 10 Pro license, then you will have Pro license in the 11. If you have Enterprise license in the 10, then you will have a Enterprise license in the Windows 11. So I'm going to hit next. Once we hit the next, it is going to ready your installation. So this may take 3 to 4 minutes or 5 minutes. So I'm going to stop this video in order to save the time. Otherwise video will get longer. So generally it takes 4 to 5 minutes. So I'm going to stop this video and resume it shortly. So now our installation is ready. You can see that ready to install Windows 11 Enterprise, because my Windows 10 license is Enterprise. So you will get Enterprise license in the Windows 11 as well, and your Windows 11 you will get automatically updated. Your Windows 11 means you will get activated Windows 11, because your license will be shifted from 10 to 11. So no need to worry about the license, I'm again saying. So install Windows 11 Enterprise and keep files and settings as it is and apps as it is. So no need to worry about your data. So I'm going to simple install it. So you can see that installing Windows Server in front of you, but don't confuse yourself. No need to worry about that. It's just a little trick because we have bypassed all the hardware requirements, and we have bypassed all the hardware restrictions. So it is just saying Windows Server, but actually it is installing Windows 11. So no need to worry about that. So it would take around 45 minutes to 1 hour, and once it's done, I will be back. So Windows 11 25 H2 has been successfully installed over the old system, and let me show you. So you can see that, and it is working absolutely fine. You can see that it is working absolutely fine, and let me show you the version. So you can see that latest version 25 H2 we have. Let me show you the license. Activation settings. So you can see that activation state is active. Windows is activated with digital license. So you can see that our license has also been shifted automatically successfully, and Windows, finally we have upgraded latest Windows 25 H2. So now you can enjoy the latest features of Windows 11 25 H2. Hope you guys like this video. Kindly like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.